Hey guys, today I'm unboxing Xiaomi Note, Xiaomi MI A1, the awesome phone ever. Let's open. This is some of the build, man. Fuck. Let's keep this side. Oh fuck. This is the box. So here you can see Android one, the Google and the Xiaomi Note company, India's number one brand smartphone, MI. Yes, you can see this. So all of the details, cameras, see carefully. Dual camera, pure Android version. This is the first Xiaomi mobile phone that has Android, original iOS Android. Snapdragon 625 and screen display 13.9 centimeter. Let's do the opening, man. Fuck. Very cover is very good, man. Let's. Yo, this is the main unit. See how the cool, man. This. Let's keep this side, man. Let's see what we get in the box. Let's see what we get in the box. Oh, this is a very SIM card injector tool. Let's keep this side. This is a very good quality USB cable with the charging. It's a different C1 charging. Nothing is here. Oh, cool. They are also giving the screen guard. This is a Indian charger. See how much this is a fast charger. Let me see. No, this is a normal Indian charger. Nothing inside, bro. Let's keep this side. They're also giving the screen guard. That's the good, man. That's really good. This is my favorite part, dude. Peeling these covers. Yo. Focus here, bro. Let's power on the MI. Yo. It's getting too much time. One thing, this phone has very good fucking camera. Very good camera. This dual megapixel camera. 12 plus 12 megapixel camera. Fingerprint. Speaker, mic, earphone, and charger. This is just sensor. This is front camera. 5 megapixel. Let's go. SIM card index separate. Yeah. Let's connect the Wi-Fi, dude. So, oh, this is date and time. Time is 9:13. Yeah, that's it. Date is 9 2018. Okay, this is my name. This fingerprint add. Yeah, 1 second, dude. Now this is fingerprint. Yo, this done, bro. Okay, yeah, yeah, all set, dude. Yo, this is the main screen. Fuck. Oh, this is menu. This is the pre-installed apps from the Xiaomi. Thanks, guys. Like, share, and comment, and subscribe, please. Let's see you tomorrow. Bye. And I will be back with this camera test with next video in couple of days. See you. Bye. Check out.